Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make mini pizzas. These are very yummy, presentable and kids favorite too. Come on, let's check what are the ingredients. To make dough you need half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast and 2 cups of plain flour. Initially, you need to add half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast in a bowl and stir it well and keep aside for at least 5 minutes. This is for yeast to react with milk and sugar. Five minutes over, now we can add 2 cups of plain flour to the mixture. Knead it so well so that the dough is very soft. For the dough to be soft, if you think the mixture of milk is not enough, you can add few drops of water and make it more soft. Once the dough is kneaded well, you can keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Cover it with a warm cloth. By this time we can make pizza sauce. Let's check what are the ingredients. You need tomatoes, red chili, garlic pods, half an onion, then ketchup. If you have pizza sauce you can use that. If you don't have, you can make it this way. Initially you need to boil these 2 tomatoes in water at least for 1 minute so that you can peel the skin off easily. Once the tomatoes are boiled, in a pan you can pour some oil, add onions, garlic pods, red chilies and a pinch of salt for the taste and saute it well. Now you can add tomatoes and for a minute again you need to saute it. After that you can remove it from flame and let it cool. Now you can grind it into a paste and then add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and keep it aside. Let's see pizza ingredients. After 30 minutes, pizza dough is ready. You also need to take chicken which are fried. I have marinated with all masalas and fried it. 1 cup of capsicum, well chopped. And also you need a bowl of onions. Those are cut into little larger sizes. Ketchup. You need some shredded mozzarella cheese. Now roll dough into small circular rounds for the pizza base. In a pan with little oil, saute those onions and capsicum that we have kept apart for pizza, just to remove the raw taste of those veggies. Now it's time to fill the pizza base. Initially you can put around these mozzarella cheese over the edges and fold the edges. This is to make cheesy crust around. Then you can apply pizza sauce, ketchup, then all the veggies you can add it into it. Then put the chicken also above. Add mozzarella cheese. If you have olives, you can add olives also. It would taste much more better. I don't have olives, that's why I didn't add it. And now in a pan you can add few drops of olive oil and grease the pan well so that the pizza doesn't stick to the pan. And also it would add the taste of olive oil to the pizza. Now you can close it with the lid at least for 7 to 8 minutes and keep it on low flame. Make sure that you're keeping it on low flame. 7 to 8 minutes are over and the pizza is ready. Now you can see that it has turned out a little brownish color, cheese has melted and it smells so good. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.